Hey people, I don't have Leetcode Premium. Okay, but there's a hack and I'm going to try it live. Let's see if that works. So what we need to do is go here, extension, Leetcode, install. After it is installed, we see an icon come up here. There's an option to sign into Leetcode and two options are coming up. Let's go to Leetcode Cookie. Okay, now for Leetcode Cookie you have to be in your home page and then inspect, go to network tab, let me just network tab, Control R, then we gotta find home. And we get it. We are looking for the cookie. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to copy the cookie. Copy. And then go to Visual Studio Code and paste it. Press enter. Let's see if that works. Okay, successful. And we have all the questions. Great.